Today I will talk about how can you enable order updates notifications on your app. We'll go to figure out the solution or know how you can do that on your app. So you just follow these ways, then it's going to work with you. All you have to do inverse, you just go down, click here on account down here. So then it's going to take you to your profile. It's going to show for you like this. Then you click above this sign. So then it's going to take you to this list. It's going to show for you like this here. Then you click on notifications, just click on it. You come to next step here. You come here to order updates, click in this sign. Like you see, this color show for us, that's mean order updates notifications enable with us now. That's all you have to do. I wish you I get it. That's all. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking and subscribe.